Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a heat map in Microsoft Excel. Most of the people using sales chart using Excel workbook. Sometimes people would like to easy to find the high and low sales values on their Excel workbook. Excel heat map is really helps to find the high and low values visually. Let's learn how you can create the Excel heat map. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos. In my Excel workbook sales report, I have a 1 quarter sales report. I would like to easy to find the high and low values visually. First you have to go to Home tab, then you have to select the all column values, then you have to go to conditional formatting. Here you have to go to color scales. Here a lot of color scale they have provided, so I would like to select the green, yellow, red color. So you can also select the multiple color what you would like to select. I am using this color. So now you can check it out. The highest values shows us a green and lowest value shows us a red. The middle of the value shows the yellow. So you can also define the custom color. We have to select the row and go to conditional formatting. Here you have to go to color scales. Then you have to click on the more rules. The format style you can select the 2 color or 3 colors. So if I would like to select only the 2 color, then I have to select this and I have to select the lowest value color as red, the highest value color as green. Then click OK. So now you can check it out. The lowest and highest values only shows visually. So in this way you can create the heat map in your Excel workbook. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.